Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today I am going to show you how to freeze chapatis without adding any parchment paper in between the chapatis. These are the fulkas I have made. These are small in size and I will put them in the container. Very beneath in the container first I have added parchment paper, and on top of parchment paper I am adding this chapatis. I have not applied any ghee to this, and these are fulkas. You can see those are very small fulkas, and I have added them into the container. These are warm, not very hot chapatis or not very cold. These are warm chapatis. I am putting them warm so that there will be little bit of moisture which will make them to come up apart from each other. So I will put parchment paper on top and cover it up and freeze this into the freezer. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. So after freezing them, I opened this on the after 1 or 2 days, and you can see the chapati is coming right out. Means you don't have to do anything, and I have microwaved this for 30 seconds in my microwave, but maybe 20 seconds will be enough for two chapatis. And they are very soft after come out from the microwave, and they are the same texture how I have frozen them. And friends, you can apply a little bit of ghee to them to get the fresh feel. Otherwise, if you eat like this only, it will be good. Here I have used Costco's Khazana brand wheat flour for making these chapatis. You can add the tissue paper on the plate while microwaving the chapati so that the chapati which is on the bottom, it will not get moisture. I would like to finish this chapati as soon as I microwave it so that I will not have any texture change. So here is the frozen chapati which I have defrosted, and now I can see this is very nice. Means this is little not cold, but room temperature in room temperature to touch, and it is not at all soggy. So friends, you can defrost it, just keeping it outside for 2 to 3 hours, and you can eat it. Hope you like this video, and let us meet in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.